boy, aren't
That's
you?
not. That's not Henry. That's Henry.
Where? Oh yeah.
The bully's over there.
Bobby. No. No.
What was he doing in the dirt?
Digging. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's a she. She was digging.
Yeah, Bobby was just digging a minute ago. Oh, look at them.
What then? What a funny little squeak.
Who did the funny squeak?
Well, something's probably biting the tail.
Yeah, look. What's that? Over there.
Henry, you're my one. Just don't go anywhere except from here.
Don't think he'll take much notice of you. Right, so which one's Julie going to be responsible for then?
How about me?
They move too quickly.
Mine are this
Careful,
one
Abby.
The
and
dirt.
Which
that
one do you want to be in charge of,
Well, they
James?
seem to be attracted to dirt at the moment.
From the lead of their dad.
Yeah.
This
There we
one
go.
over here, this one over here, and white-headed one.
Right, okay.